Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger keeps loading. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger loading, you should just go to settings here. After that, in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about Messenger. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop. And we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then this list we click on first stop. Clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.